Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was thinking about this the other day that I don't think we've done list comprehensions with conditions. So if you're not sure what that is, just think about our conditional statements for our ifs and if true, do this. But before we get too far into this, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers and all the views, and probably my most appreciated is all the comments. And actually I just kind of want to throw out on this video, there are any videos that you'd like me to expand upon, or any subjects that you'd like me to really delve into, throw them down in the comments in this, and I would love to attack those for you and see what we can do, because this whole point of this channel is to make your learning smoother and easier and more simple. So alright, let's just jump into it. So let's just do a quick list comprehension. And also, if you're new here, if you do not know any of the subjects that we're currently going through, they're all searchable. So stop, back out, do a search on them, watch those videos, and then come back. So everything that we've touched on, if it's not new, we've touched on it before. We do one subject at a time. So alright, list comprehension. I for I in range. Let's just do, let's get 10 to come out. So alright, close that, do that, print, num, run it. We get 0 through including 10. So now let's look at getting these to be just even numbers. Alright, we call these even num, and now, just like our conditional statements, it's going to be if I modulo 2 with our comparison double equals. And if you do not understand this, I have several videos on this. You can just stop and go and look, so we won't delve into this too much. So if this is true, then place in here. So alright, let's run even num. Now that's pretty simple. Now this also works with a function. So now let's look at prime numbers. So let's do primes. And the way that we need to do this is we need to use a function. So if you have not watched, now this is a little repetitive, but if you haven't seen my video on prime numbers, guess what? It's there. So, all right, this is our test for primes. Just a quick little function, and that just goes right here, is prime, and we throw in I. Now what we want to do is we want to test let's just say the first primes that are up to 100. So we need to include 100 because we know about that this function is exclusive, so we need to go one past. So this will print out and generate, shouldn't use that word, create a list of primes that are in between 2 and 100. So let's just print this out, primes, and I don't think I got everything, so there we go. Primes, print these, lo and behold, and let's see what I missed. Oh, if, there we go, if true. Boom, here are our primes that are between up to 100, and that is that. So this is list comprehensions with conditions with a regular if statement, and more complex with a function. So these are so handy. that we just go through. You can do this with a for loop, but throwing this all on one line, keeping it concise, just a very handy way of doing it. So again, can't say thank you enough for watching. Don't forget to click that. If this is the type of video you're interested in, please click the like button so I can know which way to go. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe, and most important, that notification bell, because we just build on these and going forward. And again, I would love some comments on the type of video, any subjects that I can really hit and make sure that are what you guys want to see. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.